You can definitely freeze your credit report after you apply for and get that pre-qualification with the Amex credit card, but I don't know if they're going to actually give you that credit card. I have seen some people say that they have done this, but I cannot guarantee this for sure. Now, when it comes down to doing this, you guys, I have seen people, like you said, like freeze it for the pre-qualification. I have seen people do this with like the Apple credit card or something like that. Um, let me see. I have seen people do that with like the Apple credit card, but I haven't really seen a lot of people do it with American Express. I have read about other people doing it, but not like people that's very, very close to me that I'm helping. So some people do that with the Apple credit card where they'll pre-qualify for the Apple credit card, and then when they get that pre-qualification, they'll go ahead and freeze their transfer credit report. Now you can try this, but I'm not sure if it's going to definitely work for you guys. But like I said, to the Apple card trick, I have seen people do it with that. Now, if you do that, please come back and let us know if it works for you. But it's going to be one of things where if you wonder if something works, you're going to have to just try it. Cause I now feel like I need to try it to see. Now I feel like I want to try it and actually see if it actually works. But that's going to be one of the things where you just pre-qualify. Once they give you an offer, then freeze it. And go ahead and freeze it. You guys should be able to freeze it. Like if you guys have the apps, you can freeze it. You can call the bureaus and freeze it, and then you can go ahead and accept the offer and see. But sometimes they're going to say, hey, we denied you because we didn't have access to your credit report. So keep that in mind. But go ahead and try it.